Hello, my friends. Today I am making a chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich. So I've got these cookies that I got from Farm Boy Chocolate Chunk, so tasty, and some Häagen-Dazs vanilla bean ice cream. So you can see I sampled some of the ice cream before, so I know it tastes good. And I have these little scoops here. I'm going to take one that is the diameter of the cookie. So that first one was a little too small. This one here is a bit bigger and it fits better. I'm going to test it out on both of the cookies. It's perfecto. We've got the winner, okay? So what I'm going to do now is scoop out the ice cream and put it in those little, measuring cups, measuring scoops. And when I'm done this, I'm going to put it in the freezer. So I'm going to tamp it all down. It's been in the freezer for about an hour or so. Transition over. Now it's time to scoop it out of that scoop. So many scooping actions today. And I'm going to put it on one of the cookies and I'm going to smoothen it out there with this little spatula, this little cake spatula, icing spatula. And I'm going to put the other cookie on, put it in the freezer for a little bit, maybe about 30 minutes. And that's really it, folks. Here you can see the finished chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich. So that's it. I hope you guys learned something today. I'm trying out some new transitions, some new features. I hope you like it. So let me know. Subscribe to Yay Fun Times, and I'll see you later.